Moonshot AI just dropped Kimi K3, and this thing processes 1 million tokens in a single session. That is an entire year of meeting notes, a full code base, or every client interaction you have ever had analyzed in one pass. And here's the part nobody is talking about yet. The full model weights drop July 27th. That means you can run the largest open model ever released on your own hardware for zero ongoing cost. But there is something else. A researcher at Moonshot just hinted at K3.1 already being in the pipeline, and what that leak suggests about the next 30 days is something you are going to want to stick around for. I am Paul James. I have been building businesses with AI tools since most people thought this stuff was science fiction. Let me show you what just changed. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Most AI platforms with extended context capabilities lock you into a monthly subscription before you have made a single dollar. Claude Pro charges $20 a month, ChatGPT Plus charges $20 a month. That pricing exists whether you have clients or not. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $40 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like Kimi K3 matter. Moonshot AI released this as the largest open model ever built, 2.8 trillion parameters, and the full weights become available July 27th. Now, because this is a massive 3 trillion class model, you aren't running this on a basic laptop, it requires industrial hardware. But here is the loophole. Because the weights are open, third-party hosting platforms are serving it for pennies, completely bypassing the massive monthly subscription tax forced on you by closed ecosystems. Or better yet, you charge local enterprise clients a premium setup fee to deploy it directly on their own cloud server infrastructure. Most tools doing this charge you monthly. This one hands you the keys. What we are looking at here is what I call the Unrestricted Context Stack. Most platforms give you a context window and then either charge you more to extend it or cut you off entirely. Kimi K3 starts with 1 million tokens as the baseline. That is not an upgrade tier, that is the default. And because the model uses mixture of experts architecture, 896 experts total, but only 16 activate per task, it stays efficient even at that scale. You are not burning compute on capabilities you are not using. It handles images and video natively, which means you can drop a client's entire brand library into a single session and work with it like it is local memory. Moonshot released 2 versions, K3 Max for chat and agent tasks, and K3 Swarm Max for parallel processing with multiple sub-agents running simultaneously. Both versions are live right now through their platform. The weights for both drop July 27th. Think about what this means for someone offering custom knowledge bases to local businesses. One session, 12 months of meeting notes, training documents, and internal process files uploaded simultaneously. The model builds a queryable knowledge base that any employee can ask questions to and get accurate answers from company-specific context. That setup used to require piecing together multiple tools, managing file limits, and paying for storage tiers inside a platform that charged you whether you had clients or not. With this stack, the entire build happens in one continuous session. You charge the client for the deliverable. The tool costs you nothing to run after July 27th. That is a setup fee plus a monthly retainer built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. Now here is where this actually becomes useful for someone running a service business. Kimi K3 ranked #1 on LM Arena's front-end code arena at launch. That means developers and agencies are already using this for extended coding sessions and repository analysis. If you offer web design or custom automation builds, this tool handles the entire project scope in a single context window. You drop the client's existing code base, their feature requests, and their brand guidelines into one session. The model maintains coherence across every file and every interaction. Most paid platforms start cutting context or degrading quality once you pass a certain threshold. This one was built for long sessions, and once the weights are available, you are running this on your own hardware with no metering, no usage caps, and no monthly billing. Here's the thing. Most people take what I just showed you and try to switch models mid-session. That is where it falls apart. Kimi K3 was trained with thinking history preserved. If you start a session on K3 and then switch to a different model halfway through, the quality tanks because the new model does not have that preserved context. The session breaks. Here is what you do instead. Pick your model at the start of the project and commit to it for the full build. If you are working locally after July 27th, that means loading the weights once and keeping the session alive until the deliverable is done. That is the difference between a system that holds up with real clients and one that collapses in week 2. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. You are a solo operator offering lead generation to local service businesses. A plumbing company hands you 3 years of inquiry forms, call logs, and email exchanges. They want to know which leads are worth reactivating and what messaging actually converts their market. You upload the entire dataset into Kimi K3 in one pass. The model analyzes patterns across every interaction, identifies which leads responded to specific messaging, and builds a segmented reactivation campaign with personalized outreach for each tier. That analysis used to require either manual sorting or paying for a CRM platform that charged monthly just to store the data. With this stack, you process it in a single session and deliver a campaign strategy the client can act on immediately. You charge $400 for that analysis. The tool costs you nothing after the weights drop. A contractor wants help with Google Maps rankings. They have been posting inconsistently, their citations are scattered across old directories, and their reviews mention services they no longer offer. You pull their entire digital footprint, every review, every listing, every social post into one session. Kimi K3 identifies the citation gaps, spots the messaging inconsistencies, and maps out which review responses are hurting their local ranking. You hand them a prioritized action plan tied to their specific market. That is a $300 setup fee plus a monthly retainer to manage execution. The entire research phase happened in one context window with no platform subscription required. A chiropractor wants an AI receptionist that answers questions using their actual intake protocols and insurance policies. You upload their forms, FAQ documents, and appointment scheduling rules into K3. The model builds a conversational agent that handles common questions, qualifies leads, and books appointments based on real availability windows. Most chatbot platforms bundle that capability inside a tiered plan that costs more per month than your client is paying you. Your version runs for free once you have the weights. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Picture this. A consultant hires you to build an employee training tool for their team. They have 5 years of onboarding documents, troubleshooting guides, and internal process walkthroughs sitting in shared drives that nobody searches. You take the entire archive, upload it to Kimi K3, and build a custom knowledge base where new hires can ask natural language questions and get step-by-step answers pulled directly from company materials. The consultant charges their clients for improved onboarding speed. You charge the consultant for the build. The platform handling that knowledge base costs you 0 ongoing fees. That is a $1,200 setup and a monthly retainer to maintain it. Now, here is the piece I promised you at the start. Shenyu Young, a scaling researcher at Moonshot, responded to criticism about K3's user experience gaps with a single line. Stay tuned for K3.1. No official announcement, no date, no specs. Just that one comment. What that tells you is, Moonshot is moving fast. K3 launched July 16th. They acknowledged publicly that it trails Claude Fable 5 and GPT 5.6 Sol in overall polish. Users reported that the model exhibits excessive proactiveness with vague instructions and currently runs only at max thinking effort by default. K3.1 is their answer to those gaps. The fact that a researcher is already teasing it 2 weeks after launch means they are not waiting 6 months to iterate. They are addressing feedback in real time. And if that timeline holds, you are looking at a refined version hitting before most people have even tested K3 properly. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once those weights are live on your system. Every long context project, employee training tools, lead reactivation campaigns, repository audits, knowledge base builds runs through your own stack with no usage caps and no monthly billing. The clients pay you for deliverables. The infrastructure costs you nothing after the initial setup. That is what changes when the largest open model ever released becomes freely available to run locally. No gatekeeping, no subscription tax, just leverage. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.